Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you what is a static website. And also I'm going to tell you two platforms where you can host a static website. So guys, now let's begin. So in a simple word, a static website means a simple website. So in a static website, you can't upload any content. So a static website is created with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you want to create a static website, then you need to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So guys, if you want to put pages to a static website, then you can use link. So a static website is a simple website where you can't post anything. So you can use link to redirect your website pages. So guys, now let's talk about how to host a static website. So guys, there are many platforms where you can host a static website, but the most popular and the best platforms are GitHub and Google Firebase. So guys, if you want to host your website, then you can use GitHub Pages and Google Firebase. Guys, that's it for now. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more computer related video, then guys please subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon. So guys, thanks for watching for now. See you next time.